2 raised to power n is equal to n raised to power 32. Then we have to find the value of n. Let us find its solution. It's a tricky math challenge for you. So we have 2 power n is equal to n power 32. First of all, we have to remove this n. So this can be removed by taking its reciprocal as power. So 2 power n is equal to n power 32. We have to take 1 over n power on both sides. Okay, that will be our first step. Now we have a rule. If we have a power m inside the bracket and whole power n, then m and n are multiplied. So m times n it will become. So these are multiplied now. So we will get 2 raised to power n multiplied by 1 over n, and it is n power 32 multiplied by 1 over n. Here is cancellation. So we will get 2 power 1 is equal to n power 32 over n. Now next step is by taking power 1 over 32 on both sides. We will get 2 power 1 and other side is n power 32 over n. So both sides, now we have to take power 1 over 32. So here we have also 1 over 32. Now what will become? It is 2 power 1 times 1 over 32, and it is n power 32 over n times 1 over 32. Now you are looking that 32 and 32 are cancelled. So we will get 2 power 1. 1 can be written as 2 over 2. Agree? So we can write 2 over 2 times 1 over 32, and here we have n power 1 over n. Now we have 2 power 2 inside the bracket, and this 2 is multiplied with 32, so we will get 1 over 64, and here is n power 1 over n. Okay, now it is 4, so we will write this 2 square as 4, and its power is 1 over 64 is equal to n power 1 over n. Now again we will write this one in this way, that 4 1 times 1 over 64 is equal to n power 1 over n. It will be equal to 1 can be written as 2 over 2, as we have already write this one. So 4 power 2 over 2 times 1 over 64, and in right side we have n power reciprocal of n. Now we will write this one as 4 square inside the bracket, and this 2 is multiplied with 64 to get 1 over 128, and that is n raised to power 1 over n will be as it is. This is 16, so it has power 1 over 128 is equal to n over n power 1 over n. Again we will repeat the process, so we can write this one as 16 power 1 times 1 over 128 is equal to n power 1 over n. So 1 can be written as 2 over 2 as we have repeated it. So it is 1 over 128, and here is n power 1 over n. Now we will rewrite this one as 16 a square inside the bracket, and this 2 is multiplied with 128. We will get 256, and in right side we have n power 1 over n. Now 16 square will be equal to 256, and its power is 1 over 256, and in right side we have n and its power is 1 over n. Both are same, left hand side and right hand side are same, so n is replaced with 256. That is our answer, and our target was to achieve the value of n, so we have find the value of n, which is 256. Now I will check that whether this answer is correct or not correct. So I have to rewrite the question. 2 power n is equal to n power 32. Now what is the value of n? We got 256. 256, 2 raised to power 256 is equal to 256 power 32. Now we have to use a trick. 256 is power, so here we can replace it 2 power 8, because 2 power 8 is 256 and 32 is its power, already power. So 2 power 256 will be, here we will again use a power m inside the bracket and whole power is n, then m and n are multiplied, so we will get a power m times n. So same is here, 2 power 8 multiplied by 32. Now 2 power 256 is equal to 2 power, if we multiply these two numbers we will get 256. So it means n will be equal to 256. That is our required answer. Thank you for your support.